When everything in our lives moves at lightning speed, mealtime remains our anchor. A time when we can slow down, unwind, and create memories with the people we love. No matter who you are or where you eat, we believe mealtime is one of the most important moments of the day. It's more than feeding our bodies. It's where we celebrate, learn from each other, and nourish our souls. Pampered Chef is on a mission to help people come together at mealtime by making it easier to plan, prep, and cook meals. We've always focused on one thing: supporting you in the kitchen. Whether you have picky eaters, are short on time, or are in a cooking rut, we've got you covered with long-lasting products, tips, and recipes designed for you and the way you cook. Tens of thousands of consultants have joined us on our mission and helped millions gain confidence in the kitchen. And every day, more people say yes and join us to create mealtime moments that make us whole. With a little help, it's easier to make meals we can enjoy with our loved ones, because the most powerful moments of the day happen between bites. Let's get cooking.